Po izvolitvi se je Metsola najprej spomnila njenega predhodnika Sassolija ter napovedala, da bo nadaljevala njegovo delo. Poudarila je, da bi rada okrepila kulturo dialoga.
Thank you very much, Jaume. Good afternoon to you all. Sorry if we kept you waiting for a few minutes. I'll start with a few comments on the tragic and premature loss of our president, David Sassoli. He was a great European, and this has weighed very heavily on this House, and our thoughts will continue to be with his family.
Izvoljena je bila že v prvem krogu, ko je bila za izvolitev potrebna absolutna večina. Dobila je kar 458 glasov, od tega je bilo oddanih 616 glasovnic.
At the same time, of course, I am honored to have been elected by my colleagues as President of the European Parliament. As I just said in the plenary, I know that I have big shoes to fill, and I will pay a tribute to David and all those before him by always standing up for this House and for Europe.
Med prednostnimi nalogami za prihodnje obdobje je izpostavila zeleni dogovor in gospodarsko okrevanje po pandemiji.
The challenges facing Europe are very big. They're multitude, both internal and external, and it is about time that this Parliament also continues on the work it has done, but with difficulty during this pandemic with less visibility. The message from this Parliament is that we are now in a position to speak with a very strong voice, be visible and be the voice of the European citizens.
Njena želja je, da se do konca njenega mandata leta 2024 Evropski parlament ukrepi in naredi bolj sodoben ter učinkovit pri izpolnjevanju svoje vloge.
I believe to make our shared space safer, fairer, more just and more equal.
Zavzemala se bo za to, da bo poslancem, novinarskim kolegom ter ostalim državljanom vedno na voljo.
Let me also say that I very much look forward to working with all of you. This House is an ardent defender of the rights and security of journalists. And as I just promised the members of the European Parliament, let me also promise to you that I will be available as possible also to you.
Predsednica Evropske komisije in strankarska kolegica Ursula von der Leyen je napovedala, da bosta z Roberto sodelovali za obnovo Evropske unije, za zeleno, digitalno in svetlo evropsko prihodnost.